This is a video for beginning learners of Japanese, which explains the first half of all the sounds you can make in Japanese, and the letters or characters to describe them, called hiragana. There are about 100 basic Japanese sounds. Only 100. You'll be able to pronounce them in no time. Here are all the sounds in Japanese. These three charts form the base of Japanese sounds and hiragana. We'll show you how to read the charts. Don't worry about writing them down just yet. Let's begin with chart 1. The most basic sounds in Japanese are
A, I, U, E, O.
All of the Japanese sounds are either A, I, U, E, O or a combination of these sounds in this vertical column plus A, I, U, E, O. There is only one exception, n, which is the only sound that doesn't have A, I, U, E, O. Let's read this line. This line is just
A, I, U, E, O.
These letters, called romaji, show Japanese pronunciation for Japanese learners. In Japanese romaji, this letter is pronounced A instead of A. So, these are
A, I, U, E, O.
And these, hiragana, express their sounds respectively. From now on, say them out loud when their hiragana appears.
A, I, U, E, O.
Below this line, the sounds are a combination of those in this vertical column and
A, I, U, E, O.
There are some exceptions about pronunciation, but don't mind them too much and just say what you hear. Here is k plus A, I, U, E, O. So,
Kakikukeko.
the hiragana are,
Kakikukeko.
this is s plus,
A, I, U, E, O.
so,
Sa,
and the next one is not si, but
shi. Sa, shi, su, se, so.
this sound is.
Shi.
Let's say them out loud with their hiragana.
Sa, shi, su, se, so.
Next, t, t.
Ta,
And the next one is not t, but
chi.
and the next one as well is not tu, but
Tsu.
it's like the ts in cats in English.
Tsu. Tsu.
And
Te, to.
their hiragana are.
Tachi, tsu, te, to.
Next,
Nani, nu, ne, no.
their hiragana are.
Nani, nu, ne, no.
The next line,
Ha, hi.
and this is not who, but
Fu,
and
he, ho.
this hu is pronounced with lips like blowing out candles. Let's read out
Fu,
with hiragana.
fu, fu.
From ha with their hiragana.
Ha, hi, fu, he, ho.
Next,
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
and their hiragana.
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
And then next we have y, y.
Ya, I, u, e, yo.
These I and E are the same as I and E in.
A, I, u, e, o.
Their hiragana are.
Ya, I, u, e, yo.
The only new sounds are.
Ya, yu, yo.
And next we have r, but the sound is closer to l rather than r.
La, li, du, de, lo.
Strictly speaking, they are neither r nor l, but they are expressed ru in Romaji. Let's say them with their hiragana.
らりるれろ
Next, w, w, wa, and these i, u, and e are the same as i, u, and e before. And this sound, o, is the same as this o, but the letters are different. The hiragana for wa are
わいうえお
this character, o, is pronounced o. The only new sound is wa, but the new hiragana characters are wa and o. And this is the last one. The hiragana is Chart 1 completed. Now we finished the first half of all Japanese sounds and their basic hiragana. Please go on to the next video, which explains the second half of Japanese sounds and the modifications of hiragana. Thank you.